Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of data modeling and how it drives better analytics in BI and data warehousing. Data modeling is the process of creating a visual representation of your data and its relationships. It may sound complex, but it's crucial for effective data management. Think of it like building a blueprint for a house. You need a plan to ensure everything is in the right place and works together seamlessly. So, how does data modeling drive better analytics in BI and data warehousing? Well, it all comes down to organization and efficiency. By creating a clear and concise model, you can easily identify key data points and their relationships. This allows for more accurate and efficient data analysis, leading to better insights and decision making. But it's not just about organizing data. Data modeling also helps in identifying data quality issues. By visualizing your data, you can easily spot any inconsistencies or errors that may affect your analysis. This saves time and resources by addressing these issues before they become bigger problems. Another benefit of data modeling is the ability to easily integrate new data sources. In today's data-driven world, new data is constantly being added to the mix. With a well-designed data model, you can seamlessly incorporate new sources, making your analytics more comprehensive and accurate. But it's not just about the present. Data modeling also sets you up for future success. As your business grows and evolves, your data needs will also change. By having a solid data model in place, you can easily adapt and make necessary adjustments to keep up with your evolving data needs. So if you want to drive better analytics in BI and data warehousing, make sure to prioritize data modeling. It may seem like a small step, but it can have a big impact on the success of your data-driven initiatives. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching.